Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another mining airdrop opportunity from Safefolio Wallet. Safefolio is basically a crypto wallet like Trust Wallet and MetaMask Wallet. They are back with another airdrop campaign for us. As you can see, they recently shared an update on their X profile mentioning that the airdrop is live. You've got to follow some rules to qualify for their airdrop. Don't do self referrals and complete all the tasks to be eligible for the airdrop. Their TG is happening 30 days from now, so don't miss the chance. To join the airdrop, you need to download their app, which is available in the Play Store. I'll provide the link in the description. If you're an iPhone user, you can't join right now since their app is coming soon, so you can only join with an Android device. To join the airdrop, you need to install the app. After that, open the app. Then click next. Then next. Then again next. And again next. Then click continue. Select your PIN and confirm your PIN. Here you can use my referral code, which I'll share in the description, so check it out. After entering the referral code, click continue. Then choose the option create new wallet. Here you will find your seed phrases. Click on reveal. Then you need to copy these codes and save them in a secure place. Then you need to verify using all your phrases in the same serial number. After verifying, click on next. Then continue. And your wallet is created successfully. Then click on the airdrop banner. And you will land on the airdrop section. As you can see, already 19k users have joined this airdrop. Click go to task. And don't forget to check in daily. Here you will find lots of basic tasks such as following their X profile, Instagram profile, Telegram, etc. Don't forget to complete them all. Also click on Save Mining. Then click Claim Mining. As you can see, I've just got 0.5 Safe tokens. Every 24 hours you can claim this. Finally, click on the referral option. And you will find your referral code, which you can share with your friends and community. For every referral, you get 0.1 cents rewards. That's it for this video. For all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, don't miss out on joining our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.